But is this common feeling in Lithuania that to look at the Jews as communists?
I think it depends on the generations. Yeah, because there are some generations that were born between the wars. So, well, I don't know. Of course, they had some friends, Jews, and maybe it's very emotional to talk about it. And the next generation, it's more like my fathers, that they were born back in Soviet Union. So it's like, how to say, mishmash. It's very different. But it's usually, it has a little bit negative attitude. But, for example, my generation, it's more like, I think there's a little bit lack of information, a good information, because we usually know just about Holocaust. So I think there should be something that they would start, teaching about everyday life. When they will teach us about everyday life of Jews in Lithuania, then we don't need to think about Holocaust. Then we will think, so where are they? Where are our neighbors? Where are they, like our friends? And then we will feel something, of course, empty, not something dramatizing about Holocaust and so sad. But it's something that, when you think about lives, then you feel about a little bit empty at the moment, But it's something that you wish. I think it's more like a better learning what it was than what it's not now. I mean, like, I think that, let's talk about more, positive things than negative. Of course, there will always one and other side, but just sometimes we need to change the attitude and the approach, of course.